In this quick video, I will show you how you can create and manage menu on WordPress website. To create or manage your menu, go to your WordPress dashboard and hover appearance and click on the menus. There is no menu, create a new menu. You can add pages, post, custom link or category to your menu. To add page, click on the page, click on the view page and add the page, which page you want to add. To add a post, you can click on post and select the post you want to add. To add custom links, you can put the links on the top and put the link text here and add it. I added Google as a sample. To add category, select the category and view all the category. We have only one category, and select the category and add it to the menu. You can see all four things are added to our menu. You can simply remove the items by clicking here and click remove, and you can make it a sub menu by dragging under the item. You can see under hello world, these two sub menu have been added, and under Google, this is the sub menu. So by dragging and dropping, you can create sub menus. So I made uncategorized as a sub menu and click create menu. After creating the menu, you need to select the menu location. You can select this location. By selecting primary navigation, the menu will be shown on the top bar of the website. Let's save this. Now go to the website and refresh the website. You can see there the menu has been added. The home button, hello world, this is a post, and the google.com, a link, custom link, and under this the sub menu added uncategorized. If you click on the Google, it will go to the google.com. So this is how you can create and manage menus on WordPress. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this.